orbit. These are the products that you should have received. 4 in total. The main counter display, shelving and the dividers. I'll show you how to assemble these. You assemble like so. Fold up these 2 flaps, fold in, and turn your side wings into position. Fold over the front edge. That's virtually your CDU done. Pre-fold your shelving section, as you can see, like so. So make sure you've test folded everything. Get this component and insert from underneath into the display. Get your other component, slide this together, and you'll see this goes vertically down. Make sure you fold the last flap around, which locks into that last divider. Keep the situ. Make sure you fold all your wings down. Then insert into the counter unit. Once all in situ, last but not least, there's the top box.